Hi mate, you right?
Not too bad, how are you?
Yeah mate, I'm good. You got your car?
Yeah, I got my car. You got your car?
I've got my car.
Okay, back in 20?
Sounds good. You sound sceptical. You sure?
Yeah, 20.
Alright.
Half an hour.
Okay, alright, cool. I'll see you in a second. See you in a bit. Here is my 2000 Toyota Yaris. 1 litre VVTi, the perfect shed in my eyes. Oh, finally, you're here. What's took you so long? And where's your car?
About that.
About what? What have you done to it?
A tiny bit broken.
A tiny bit broken? What, did you buy it broken or did you buy it fine and you tinkered with it?
The car works, but I may have tinkered a bit with it.
A bit or a lot?
You know, it started as a little problem and it turned into a big problem.
Turned into a bigger problem. That's why you don't touch your car. Especially with your shed.
Good point.
But I'm not talking about that now because it's not here. 2000 Toyota Yaris.
Yaris.
1 litre
Nice.
VVTi. 164,000 miles.
Okay. Most important question. How much?
See, this is where you're going to love this.
Go on.
£50.
50 quid.
£50.
Okay. Who did you steal it off?
Well, obviously I didn't steal it. I paid for it. Come on now.
Okay.
I got it off a mate.
A mate?
Yes. He wanted to get rid of it. Didn't want it. I hope not.
Okay.
But yeah.
Never good. M.O.T.
November sometime.
Okay. What, 6-7 months?
Something like that. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Like, it'll get us done what we need to do.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
What's broken on it? Because it's just 50 quid. It's got to be.
Do you want the truth or
Come on.
What I know?
Hit me with it. What
so,
you know?
hole in the cat.
Yep.
And that's all I know.
Okay.
Actually, to be fair, I did have to replace the manifold.
Oh, so you've done that then?
I had to do that.
And how much was that?
That was an extra £45. I paid more for, almost more for the manifold than I did the whole car.
So you're 95 quid in?
95 quid deep.
And what's a full tank on this?
£48. So
probably as much as the car?
Yep.
Okay.
Almost as much as the car.
So they're the problems you know about?
They're the problems I know about, and the problems that I don't know about, I still don't know about.
Okay.
And haven't come about yet.
Should we go for a drive?
Yeah, I'm down for a drive.
Let's go.
Cool, let's go.
Oh wow, I can see it's very clean.
Yeah, well, you know, I've had it for about, what, month and a bit. Okay. So, as you can see, I haven't taken too much care of it.
Yeah, I was going to say, you take the best care of your cars, don't you?
Yeah, well, the other two I do. This one, I really couldn't care about. Right, are we ready to go then?
Let's go.
Let's go. Right.
Oh, I can hear the power.
Yeah, well, it's that hole in that cat, you know. It really likes to show its presence.
Is that leaking power or gaining power because there's no cat?
It's a Toyota, it always gains power no matter what.
Oh, it's alright.
Yeah, it's not too bad. The suspension is obviously not been replaced. Actually, I think that's a lie.
Oh, jeez.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, well, I think the rear right suspension, so the spring actually, has been replaced at one point in its life. Okay. Because it looks pristine compared to all of them.
Okay, that's always good. So you've got 3 bad corners, 1 good?
Yeah, so, yeah. And that can really show in the turning. Obviously, like I said, the hole in the cat shows its presence, especially when you get higher up in the RPMs.
I mean, you can really hear that cat.
Yeah. Well, once that's fixed, I have heard that it goes very quiet once that is plugged up and all covered up.
I mean, if you really listen, it sounds like an old Honda.
Well, you know, it's a Toyota. Don't want to sound like no Honda.
Is that Japanese quality?
Yeah, mate. And the clutch really isn't that bad. I got told that it was absolutely dog, but it slides into gear lovely. The only times I have problem is when it's going into third.
Ooh,
and third.
Brakes aren't bad.
Yeah, I don't actually know when they were replaced, so that's probably something we might have to do in the future. But until I don't stop.
Oh, so hold on. Before you completely send it, how much have you checked this?
Not really. I have looked at the M.O.T history. Okay. And it is a sight for sore eyes.
You're filling me with confidence.
Yeah.
Seatbelts work, right?
I don't know.
Let's not test those.
Yeah, let's not test those.
No.
The power, really, I'm foot full to the floor right now, and
I mean,
we haven't moved.
0 to 60 in how many years?
A decade.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. I don't know, until I start growing grey hairs. So I've got a couple of years in there.
Okay, so I'll get my Zimmer frame ready for when we actually get to 60.
Yeah, everything works, interior lights, apart from the radio, which as you can see, I don't know if I can get this in video, I probably can't.
I mean...
you could pull it out.
Oh, I'm not sure I want to disconnect.
Yeah, no, don't disconnect
we'll show you on another camera, but
it's not the best.
Broken.
It's not the best.
Quality.
Talking of that, that is my radio. Are you not even going to put it back in?
No, I'm going to forget that.
Okay, fair enough. That's how it is.
Yep.
The best part of this car, and we'll show this in another panorama, is my MX-5 Mark II gear stick.
Very nice.
Yeah, went to A1 whilst trying to find a manifold, and we, you know, bought that for at least £1, I think it was. I can't remember how much, and that's quite surprising.
That's a 50th of what the car costs.
Yeah. And
how much value do you think that's added?
Oh, it's probably made this 10 times more expensive, to be honest with you. Okay, I reckon
so
I could.
You can get 500 quid for this car now.
Yeah, probably just about.
Easily.
Yeah.
We'll put it on eBay.
Put it on eBay? No, I'm never getting rid of this. This is going to stay in my possessions until I die.
Oh.
Or it dies.
I was going to say.
Or it dies.
do you think this is going to die before you? Is it Toyota?
I don't think it will. But some people say it might, depending on how I drive it.
Okay, well, I'm sure we'll find out about that.
But yeah, this car, as you can see in the back, is very practical for my BMXing.
Yeah,
I can get
definitely a BMX in there.
I can get 3 BMXs in,
okay,
and 3 people. That's me plus 2 others.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's really not that bad for space. Everything else, like I say, like petrol, I can get about 370 miles to a tank, and that's off £45. Well, to 45 to £50,
okay,
which is really good.
So it's fairly economical then?
Yeah, fairly economical, and I reckon as soon as I plug up that hole, it'll be even more economical.
Ah, okay, so that's a nice short recap on why you like this car.
Yeah, there you go then.
Very nice.
Oh, I forgot to turn it off.
Oh, that helps. Saves petrol.
Yeah, so how was the ride for you?
I can't complain. I mean, 50 quid.
Well,
so I'd say that's near as you get to a Lamborghini for 50 quid.
£95 if you include what I've done to it. But
I mean, for that, I think you've won this by a long shot.
Well, I'm hoping so. Like, if you found something under £50 or well, £95, I'll be very surprised.
It's not that good, but
well, it can't be that good if you've broken it.
Yeah. Well, how about we meet right here?
Yep.
Next week.
Yep.
7 o'clock. And
yeah.
I'll show you what I got.
That's what I like to hear. When you say show me what you got, is it going to come on the back of a lorry or are you going to drive it in?
No promises.
No promises. Okay. Well, I'm hoping it drives in because I want to see this.
It should. It will.
Okay.
Okay. So here, 7 o'clock next week.
Sounds good. Right. I'll see you later, mate. See you later.
Oh, hold on. Can I get a lift?
Yeah, go on then. Come on.
I ain't walking home. Let's see what this thing can do. Let's go. All that power.